Hello friends, my name is Sanket Marathe and today's date is 13 March 2024 and today's topic is history in Java. So now today we discuss about the history of Java, how Java is created and all that things. So the origins and the early development in 1990 to 1994 is that the genesis of Java can be tracked tracked back to the early 90s, and when the Sun Microsystem inherited the Green projects, and this project aimed to develop a versatile programming language for consumer electronics, addressing the complexities and posed by the uh, diverse device achievements and the platforms. So the first starting from the OG. So the time period of OG is that 1991 to 1994. So in 1991, a team led by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Newton in united the projects, and they uh, effectively name the language is OG. So after an OG, tree located outside Gosling's office, and OG was used as a language for embedded systems. So designed to be portable, robust, and the secure language. Okay. So the next is that transitions, how to transition to Java. So the time period of that is 1994 to 1995. So as the focus of the project they are shifted towards an interactive televisions, and the team recognized the need for a more general purpose programming language. And in 1994 development efforts pivoted towards creating a new language, and by 1995 Java was officially introduced as a part of the Java development kit, that means JDK 1.0. So the first Java was Java 1.0, and the release date of that version is 1995. So Java 1.0 marked the official release in May 1995, establishing the beginning of the Java journey as as a mainstream programming language. And the introduction of the Java emphasized the evolutionary concept of write once and run anywhere. That means DORA, promoting platform independence through the utilization of the Java Virtual Machine. Java Virtual Machine means JVM. So now we can discuss about the evolution of the Java platform. The time period was that 1996 to 1999. So the that are the subsequent years witnessed the evolutions. There are witnessed evolutions of the Java with the introduction of Java 2 platform. They are the standard editions, that means J2SE, and they are introduced in December 1998. This release brought substantial investments of the language and its libraries, and considerably Java 2 platform enterprise edition J2SE, J2EE, that means and Java 2 platform micro editions J2ME emerged to center of the enterprise level and mobile embedded development and respectively they are. So the then after that the open source community are involved. They are involved in 2006 to 2010. So they are recognizing the importance of community collaborations, and Sun Microsystem took a momentous step is November 2006. 2006 by open sourcing the Java platform under the JNU. JNU means General Public License, and GPL through the Open JDK. This move facility increases the community participants and the ongoing developments of Java. So after that the Oracle acquisitions, they are 2010. Oracle corporations,
फिल्म बनवायची एक होती.
Oracle corporations acquisitions of Sun Microsystem in January 2010 added a new chapter of Java narratives and the transition race concerns and discussions with the Java community. They are regarding the future transitory and the licensing policies under the Oracle statutorships. So thank you.